Tomorrow will be the Lunar New Year's Day. I'm heading to Flushing to pick up some grocery. The supermarket is crowded with people. Everyone seems trying to do their last-minute shopping in preparation of the New Year's Eve feast. This is Steve with Typhoon Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Happy Chinese New Year, the year of our horse. Dungeon crab is on sale. It's $10.99 per pound in Flushing. During this traditional Chinese Spring Festival, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called the Typhoon Shelter Crab. Meant for cooking. Thanks for eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, remove the coating span, then open the shell. Remove the gill and cut the crab into half. Further, cut the crab into small pieces. Cover the exposed meat with starch to preserve the moisture during cooking. Deep fry the crab for a couple minutes. Prepare some minced garlic. Wash the garlic a couple times. Prepare some red hot pepper, celery, and ginger, along with some fermented black bean. Under medium-low heat, fry the garlic until it turns golden brown. Add the rest ingredients at this time and keep stir fry. Add the breadcrumbs this time and keep stir fry. Add oyster sauce and soy sauce. Finally, add the crab in the wok and keep stir fry for a minute. This is the Typhoon Shelter Crab I'm talking about. It is a very easy recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me some up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.